bring presents? Open up. What's that? Santa come? Santa came to our house last night? Yeah, you must have been a good boy.
That's cookies.
Cookies. That's what you wanted. You know what that says? That says, to Jack from Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus left you cookies. Look what Santa left you. You go open it. What's this? What's right here?
A candy cane.
Did Santa give you a candy cane? Get it. That's all your stuff. Oh, that's a big one.
I want to eat
You
it.
want to eat it? You want to eat it now, or do you want to open presents?
Well, I want to eat it.
You want to eat it?
Yeah, I want to eat it.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
a big one.
You can try it.
That's a big one.
It's a big one. And Mrs. Claus left you cookies. Looks like you got what you wanted.
What's that?
I don't know. You have to find out.
What's that? What's that? A candy cane. A present.
The big candy cane. That's for you. You got to open it.
Hey Jack, what's this here? What's on the table? What happened to the cookies you put out?
Hopper.
Somebody ate them. Who do you think ate them?
Who ate the cookies?
Look.
Jack.
Jack did? Did you come out and eat the cookies last night?
A walker.
Who ate them? Who ate those? Who ate the carrots? Everything's gone.
Oh.
Did the reindeer come?
Thank you.
And Santa?
Look at Santa. Look
Good
at
balloon, Jack. Looks like you were a good boy.
Santa.
Santa came to your house.
Look at
You must think you are a good boy.
open this one.
Open that one.
There's a little one. A little one. I want to do it. I want to do it, Mommy.
Oh, it's a good one to start with. See what he brought you. What is it?
Thomas.
Thomas toothpaste.
I'll open it. Not touch.
It's Thomas.
I want to do it.
Cool. You got Thomas toothpaste.
I want to do it. I want to do it.
What
Yeah.
is that?
Elmo.
Does that play music?
Elmo.
Who's that?
Muffin Man.
Who's singing? Who's singing? Is that Jeff Jam? Who's that?
Thomas.
buddy? You talk. You can sing. You talk like this. Thomas and his friends.
Ooh, that looks good. I opened something up.
What'd you get?
I just opened something up. How come the camera's focused on him?
Oh, what'd you get?
Got this much.
What'd you get, Jack?
You got a damn toothpaste.
That's how I feel about the sewing machine.
Yeah.
Whoa, you got a toothbrush,
Whoa.
Jack? Wow.
Oh.
What is that one?
Hard. Whoa! You got some more CDs?
Jack, they're not movies, they're songs. You want to try songs?
Jack, you got all the songs right inside
I think
here.
they might be in that thing already.
Open a bubble.
What'd you get?
A bubble. A bubble.
You got bubble bath?
I want to do it.
You want to do it?
You want to do bubble bath?
Oh.
What else
What
you
is
get?
that?
Oh, look at that. Yes.
What did you get?
I get this. Yeah, I got this. Ice cream.
It's an ornament for the tree.
It's free. What is it of? It's not an ice cream. It's a little boy. It's a sun ornament.
Isn't it a snow cone?
Is it a snow cone? Oh yeah, it's a snow cone.
Kind of like ice
Oh,
cream.
what
is this one?
Wow, look at
Whoa!
look
Tissues so you can blow your nose.
at-
You need those today.
My nose.
You like them?
Over my
You
nose.
want to blow your nose?
Open them.
No, no. It's okay. Try this one, Jack. What's that one?
I want to open it. I want to open it, Daddy.
Go ahead. You got to find a piece to open it.
Which one is it?
Find a little tear section.
Right there.
You almost have it. You're gonna do it. You got it. There you go.
There we go. There we go.
What is it? What is it?
Oh, look at that. Look
What
at
is
that.
it?
This. This. That's flavor.
What is it?
Oh, that.
You almost have it.
Have it. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
What is it?
A cow.
Whoa.
You know what it is?
What is it?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
All different colors, huh?
Oh, Play-Doh. I want Play-Doh.
Should we open them up?
We'll do that later, Gooby. We
We'll
still
do it
got some
later.
more
We
stuff
got
to
all
open.
kinds of things to open up.
This one.